This is Sadie. She came to me yesterday. Yesterday, this wouldn't have been possible. She was barking and growling at me, didn't want me to get near her. She didn't like my voice. Every time she heard my voice, she would growl and start barking. Today, a lot more relaxed, actually coming to me for attention. Yeah. Okay, get off. Stay off. Good girl. You want food? Good girl. You're a good girl, Sadie.